Welcome to this shortwave radio channel, and I wanted to share something that I shared in the past, and I think it's from time to time it's a good idea to kind of share it again, because people don't necessarily see all of what I post past videos and stuff. Remember that if you're in the market for a new shortwave radio, or if you are mostly just interested in learning more about other radios that maybe you don't own, or even on your own radio, maybe you want to see what other people think about it or reviews, there's on the shortwavelistening.com website the Shortwave Radio Index, which is very nice. It's basically the place where you got a lot of reviews of different radios. So I'll post a link to this in the description below the video, but you can click portable, for example, and there you'll see all the portable radios, and a lot of them have reviews. You can actually have multiple ideas of different radios, what they look like, what the range is. It's very, very, very nice to have this, actually. Of course, tabletop receivers also have their own little look. Software-defined radios, if you are in the market for an SDR, you'll have an idea of these devices and what they are like. A lot of reviews in here, and shortwavelistening.com is actually one of the best websites for that. So you can check this out, of course, for sure, on the shortwave radio here, and check out the different reviews. And there's a lot of stuff in there. Check it out. I often look at reviews of radios that I own, just kind of having the feel of what I think and what others think while they're using it. Do I agree with that review? It's always kind of interesting to see. If you're looking for a new radio, well, having somebody else's review and kind of comments on what they think of the radio is not bad at all of an idea. So check it out here. I'll post the link to this website in the description below the video. So you have everything from portables to tabletops, software-defined radios, professional receivers, radio kits, self-powered emergency radios, and all the reviews at the end of everything. So check it out. Lots of stuff in here, and the link is actually in the description below the video. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.